Everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And guess what? Today we have to go on a couple missions. We have like 4 things we have to get done today. So the first stop is gonna be an Audi A4. We have to go look at it because he texted me yesterday when I got home from work that his car was misfiring. It was taking long to start and then a lot of white smoke coming out the exhaust while he was trying to drive it. The EPC light was coming on. So we're gonna make a stop right now. We're gonna make a stop right now and go check it out and see what's going on. See, he's saying that the car wasn't starting, and I called him. So I told him like I'll come and stop by right now. So we're gonna go check it out. Right now, I'm thinking it's like something like real, like injector, something stuck wide open and leaking fuel inside the block area, inside the engine. So whenever you have a GDI car, like an Audi, and this is a 2.0, a 2009, it's kind of a newer one. Usually when injectors go on those GDI cars, they start leaking. If it's stuck wide open, it's gonna leak fuel down into the chambers, and then it's gonna get mixed with oil, and then you're unable to drive it. So we're gonna go check it out. Most likely if it's an injector, we're gonna have to get a new one, pop it in and do an oil change and get him back on the road. So see you guys in the field. We're gonna go check it out. Stay in tune guys, we're gonna be right back. I just gotta drive probably like 5-10 minutes and then we'll be at the location. Alright guys, we just got here probably like a minute ago, and he's about to crank it up real quick and we're gonna check it out, see what's going on. Go ahead, start it, bro. Look, so much white smoke. That smells like a lot of fuel. I bet. We're going ahead and reading codes right now. Okay, one of your engine mounts is bad too. Engine relay circuit, cylinder number 1, misfire detected. Cylinder number 2, cylinder disabled, random multiple misfire detected. System low. That's weird. Alright, kill it. So it's not just one of them misfiring. It's not just one of them misfiring. It's pretty much all of them. Yeah. So we gotta see what's going on. And the only codes there is just misfires, misfire codes. Let me see. Trying to see. Usually if the fuel injectors go, it would tell you like a circuit is bad or something, you know what I mean? It just have misfire codes there. Let me smell this. It could, but it's not saying lean or anything, you know what I mean? It would tell you that, like, hey, there's a lean code, like, it would tell you. The computer is smart enough to tell you what's going on. Now we're just getting misfires. That's what I'm saying. There gotta be something going on up here. So we're gonna take out all the spark plug and see which one of them is soaking wet. Okay, one of the injectors is leaking. I'm positive you're gonna see it on the spark plug.
Oh, you don't really smell like fuel either. That's just like that. Oh, you don't really smell like fuel, dude.
Nah, it does.
It does.
Yeah, if you smell inside it.
Definitely do.
Man, white smoke coming out the back. That's basically telling you that, yo, fuel is not getting burnt all the way.
We froze, cold night in the winter, how cold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna.
One is missing, since two was missing, that will cause the rest of them to start like missing too. Cause them shits all work together. But I told you, I'm always right, bro. I'm always right, gang. Always, bro.
Two.
This is definitely two. Let me show you guys what we found. So look at this. Hold it real quick. Hold it by the bottom. Look at these guys compared to each other. This one is super wet. Fuel is not getting burnt all the way. That injector is wide open. It's stuck open. That's why we have so much white smoke coming out the exhaust. So it don't even make sense swapping over the spark plug, because that's not gonna help it. Yeah, we need a new injector on too. So much white smoke was coming out, guys, so much, and we found that the fuel, we have wet fuel on number 2. So something going on with the injector compared to one is super dry, number 2 is super wet. And what you guys should know about these cars with these TSI engines, if one of the injectors is missing, most likely it's gonna affect the other injectors, because I meant the other cylinder, because all the cylinders work together on GDI cars. So if one cylinder is acting up, the rest of them is gonna start disabling and start doing some weird stuff too. So let's go ahead and get these back in. Okay, let's go ahead and plug them back in. Okay, right there, get in. Go ahead and put the screw back in.
How much is this?
Hold on. I'm gonna give you the part number. I'm gonna get you the right part number and shit. Give me a second. I'm gonna get the VIN. We're gonna sit in my car and we're gonna order them real quick. It's nice out here, but it's brick. Don't make the sun fool you. It looks sunny out here, but it's icy out here.
Might look nice.
For real. Go ahead, crank it up. Give him a booster, guys, because the jumper pack is dead, and he had so happened to have a jumper cable, so we said, why not jump it? Fire it up. Go ahead, crank it again. Let me clear all those codes too. Oh.
To let it go to waste with everything that
it's on now. Still missing hella smoke, and you can smell the fuel. Yeah, see, it's wet fuel coming out too. It's not being burnt all the way. Yeah, bro, you gotta turn it off, kill it. Oh my god. The big batch started coming out. Yeah, it's no good. Mad smoke started coming out. Look, they back, guys. But that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna kill it from here. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Peace out.